Good evening, friends. This is time for trade wrap of 6th of Jan 2021. And today we had a great performance on the platinum membership. So, why don't we start with telling you about that? We have this new platinum button where over 200 people have now joined in for our lives daily 9:15 to 3:30. And as people are figuring out that psychology, money management is very, very important. So make sure you join that service. That is the service which took home longs on Bank Nifty calls today. So when the market was literally falling apart and the calls was that support is breaking and put writing is winding up at lower levels, etc., we stepped ahead and buy. And my sense was that this sort of Georgia election, etc., it's like Gujarat state election. This is a half an hour problem, and chances are that tomorrow you will have global markets going ballistic because of this. There are also, silver, diamond, gold, copper buttons which are there. And the only issue with these buttons is that they don't include trade management and money management and or psychology. So people are upgrading in very large numbers. So thank you all who have joined. And the first few days have really been worthwhile in trading together, learning together, and acting together. Plus, we have the recorded webinar, which gives you a nice theoretical base if you want one. So that is for 2000 plus GST. Please contact 9871066337. You can WhatsApp on this number or email at ashwani_gujral at yahoo.com. That is ASHWANI_GUJRAL at yahoo.com. Meanwhile, you can also join us on Ashwani Gujral followers group and on Facebook. Plus, you can like our Ashwani Gujral business page. We'll be having our live Facebook Live on Friday 8 p.m. Friday and Tuesday 8 p.m. on Ashwani Gujral business page. I'll be live for about 40-45 minutes. And Sunday 5 p.m. sharp YouTube live will be there. So any sort of individual stock questions that you have can be dealt with out there. So now, with all the announcements out of the way, let's look at S&P 500. This is the 5-minute chart. We gap down, and right from this early morning gap down, you started to show an upside move. And that upside move is continuing right now. The Dow is up 400. So, you have to understand what kind of news flow is not kind of more permanent and what kind of news damages a rally. Any rally will be damaged if liquidity flows are damaged. By Georgia coming to Democrats, people were fearing that taxes will be raised. Anybody in his right mind in the US today is not going to raise taxes. In fact, if anything, they will push more stimulus. So that way, it's actually a positive. So the lesson here is if you have bad news and that bad news seems temporary, step forward and buy. FIs have had a negative figure. I don't think, that is going to be sustainable. If more stimulus is coming, they would buy. Let's see what the Nifty did. Again, middle of the day, it started to collapse, and we almost went down as low as 14,040. And this was the time when you started to see these big bars. So this was the time to buy. Basically, it was Reliance that created an issue. On the Bank Nifty, we had a couple of trades. One trade was the morning trade where the Bank Nifty was consolidating, and because it was consolidating above the breakout zone, we bought here and got these 4 or 5 bars. But this wasn't my 5-star trade. A 5-star trade is where things don't look back. The 5-star trade happened here when we bought the Bank Nifty closer to, say, about 31,650 thereabouts. It has now retested its breakout level, and that is the reason I carried, because it was at such a key level that if the US does not fall, and the odds of that were low, we are likely to move higher. Today, metal stocks did very well. Some of our calls were on metal stocks. You had JSW Steel. We got in somewhere here. It went up and it came down. We have carried JSW Steel. I think here our stops got saved by a little bit. Tata Steel, our stop got hit. And that will happen from time to time. Again, this was bought somewhere around the 690 zone, and it did well for a while. If the market would not have fallen, the stop would not have been hit. Plus, we did SBI in the morning. Again, with the market weakening, we made a little bit of money on SBI, not a whole lot. But today was a day when the opportunity to buy was created, and that is something people should have taken going into the close. So, like I said in the morning, waiting would have paid. So again, Tata Motors, we got out somewhere, maybe a little bit of money out here. Today was a difficult day on stocks because of this collapses happening. But Amber Enterprises, SBI Cards, 2 of our portfolio stocks did very, very well. And often people don't really look at portfolios, but the key here is that the portfolios are doing very, very well, and particularly this digital PLI sort of theme around which our portfolios are built, they have done exceedingly well. If I show you SBI cards, this is SBI cards for the last 3 sessions. Let me show you Amber. Amber Enterprise, we got in somewhere at 2000, and today it's done 2600. So again, fresh breakouts happening all over the place. We had Laurus Labs, which is again making fresh highs. So plenty of these gems in our portfolio which continue to surprise on a daily basis. So like, share, subscribe, and please encourage us so that we keep producing great products and this great video content for you. Join us on our live sessions, and if you want, you should take services of these join buttons, which really put you on the fast track to making money. That should be it. Take care, trade well, and please consult your financial advisor.